This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact restriction and purpose. Check your Roblox account email and notifications immediately, and open any error messages that mention API bans or rate limits. Pull the server logs and client timestamps that show the blocked requests, and note the API key or endpoint involved. Once done, export screenshots and save the numeric error codes. These will be essential for a focused appeal and for developers to reproduce the issue when troubleshooting. Next, you remediate the root causes before contacting support. Audit your integration for abusive patterns like tight retry loops, missing authorization headers, or leaked keys. Implement proper exponential backoff, respect documented rate limits, and rotate compromised keys. Document every change with before and after snippets and timestamps. Once your system behaves correctly in tests, compose an appeal that clearly states what happened, the fixes you applied, and includes logs and reproductions. This makes your request actionable and faster to resolve. Finally, submit your appeal through official Roblox support or developer relations, attaching the logs, screenshots, and your remediation checklist. Be concise and factual. Explain why the ban occurred, what you changed, and how you prevent recurrence. Monitor replies closely, answer follow-up questions, and run live verification tests if requested. If the first appeal is denied, politely escalate with additional evidence or request a temporary whitelist to demonstrate compliance. Make sure to keep all communications professional and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.